Welcome to Next Gen Reviews. Today we dive into the latest update from Yamaha, the 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155. Known for its cutting-edge design and sporty performance, the Aerox 155 has become a staple for enthusiasts seeking both style and practicality. Let's explore what makes this scooter a standout in 2025. Bold and aggressive design. The 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155 retains its aggressive and aerodynamic styling, making it one of the most eye-catching scooters on the market. Yamaha has introduced fresh color options and updated graphics, giving it a modern and dynamic appeal. Its sharp LED headlamps, sleek body lines, and sporty split seats create a perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality, ensuring it stands out in any crowd. Performance-driven engine. Under the hood, the Aerox 155 continues to impress with its 150cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. Featuring Yamaha's Variable Valve Actuation (VVA) technology, this scooter delivers excellent power and fuel efficiency. With a peak power output of 15 horsepower and a top speed of around 115 km per hour, it provides a thrilling ride, whether you're commuting in the city or cruising on highways. Enhanced features and technology. The 2025 Aerox 155 is packed with advanced features. A fully digital LCD instrument cluster provides all essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, and Bluetooth connectivity for pairing with Yamaha's Y-Connect app. This allows riders to track their scooter's performance, get maintenance reminders, and even locate it through GPS. The addition of a smart key system with keyless ignition is another convenience-focused update for 2025. Coupled with a USB charging port and ample under-seat storage, the Aerox 155 is designed to make everyday riding effortless. Comfort and handling. Yamaha has ensured that the Aerox 155 delivers a comfortable and controlled riding experience. The telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks absorb bumps effortlessly, while the 14-inch alloy wheels and wide tubeless tyres provide excellent grip. Combined with its lightweight frame, the Aerox is agile and easy to handle, even in heavy traffic. Safety. First, safety is a priority with the 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155. It comes equipped with a single-channel ABS for better braking performance and stability, even during emergency stops. The large 230mm front disc brake and rear drum brake provide reliable stopping power, ensuring peace of mind for every rider. Conclusion. The ultimate sports scooter. The 2025 Yamaha Aerox 155 continues to set the benchmark in the sporty scooter segment. With its stunning design, robust performance, and modern features, it appeals to riders of all ages. Whether you're a city commuter or a weekend explorer, this scooter promises an exhilarating ride. That's it for today's review on Next Gen Reviews. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reviews of the latest rides. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time!